possible to see changes to your skin in just 2 weeks? It sounds impossible, right? But I decided to taste the Ordinary Retinal 0.2% emulsion for 2 weeks. And the results? They completely blew my mind. Today, I'm excited to share my journey with this product. You'll find out whether this product really lives up to its promises, whether you should give it a try, and everything else you need to know before making a confident decision. Hello, this is Dibas, and today's quest is to uncover everything about the Ordinary 0.2% Retinal Emulsion. The Ordinary is famous for their ingredient-focused formulation, while retinoids is one of the most popular and well-researched ingredient in the skincare industry. So naturally, the Ordinary offers a range of retinoid products, including their gram-active retinoid or retinol in squalane. But this 0.2% retinal emulsion is their strongest retinoid so far. Now, what makes this retinoid different from their other retinoid products? Does stronger automatically mean better? I'll answer all these questions, but let me tell you a bit about the ingredient first, because you should know what you're putting on your face, right? What is retinol? Retinoids is an umbrella term for different forms of vitamin A. The most active form of vitamin A is called retinoic acid. Active form means it's ready to work in the body without making any changes. Our body has special spots called receptors that feed retinoic acid perfectly, like a key in a lock. When retinoids attach to these spots, they start working deep in the skin and can create amazing results. But not all retinoids work the same way. The strongest one is retinoic acid, also known as retinoid. It's a prescription product and starts working right away. But because it's so strong, it can have more side effects. Now, the weakest form of retinoids is called retinol. Retinol is the weakest because it needs to change twice in your body before becoming retinoic acid. First, retinol changes into retinal, also known as retinaldehyde, and then retinal changes into retinoic acid. That's why retinol has very low side effects and most people can use it without any problem. On the other hand, retinol is stronger than retinol because it only needs to change once before becoming retinoic acid, but it's still weaker than retinoic acid or tretinoin. Now, who should use the Ordinary 0.2% retinol? According to the brand itself, you can use this product for anti-aging purposes, evening out your skin texture, light hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, firming and smoothing out the skin, improving the looks of fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet, meaning fine lines around the corner of your eyes. Now, hold on. Just because you have this problem, it doesn't mean that you can start this product right away. Why? Because as I said before, this Ordinary 0.2% retinal emulsion is a very high-strength retinoid. So if you've never used any retinoid product before, then start with a gentler form like retinol and then slowly move to a product like retinol. Does the Ordinary 0.2% retinal emulsion actually work? The main ingredient, retinol, has tons of research behind its effectiveness. The Ordinary has added a bunch of hydrating and soothing ingredients to combat the potential irritation from retinol. On top of that, they use the encapsulation method for the retinol. What does that mean? This means the retinol will be released in your skin very slowly over the time instead of all at once. And this further reduces its potential irritation. So in theory, it should be a well-tolerated product and it should deliver as it promises. But we know better than judging a product by its ingredient list, right? So let's see how this product actually performed on my skin. My 2 weeks experience of using the Ordinary Retinal. In case you're wondering why I'm sharing my experience just after 2 weeks, I'll explain soon. Let me tell you first, I've used retinol and adapalene before, but I've never tried any retinol or tretinoin, so it was easier for me to track the changes. I use this product at night, as directed by the Ordinary. During the first week, I used it 4 times, giving 1 day interval in between. I washed my face with a gentle cleanser, completely dried my face, then I used a pea-sized amount of the retinal emulsion. I used the dot method to spread it evenly over my face. I waited 5 minutes for the product to absorb, then applied a moisturizer that contained no other active ingredient, and this product comes in a pump bottle, as you can see. 1 pump actually gives a perfect pea-sized amount. The color is yellow, which is the natural color of retinol. The texture is very likable. It's not super dry and leaves a light moisturizing feeling. I did not experience any peeling, irritation, or burning sensation to my skin after using it. It did not make my skin super dry either. So now it's time to reveal the result. So here's my skin in the first week before I started applying it, and this is after 2 weeks. I had 1 or 2 pimple marks which are completely gone. My skin definitely feels a lot smoother and brighter. Now the reason I'm sharing my experience with you after only 2 weeks is because I never expected any changes this soon. In fact, I didn't even bother to record my skin more frequently because I was sure that it's going to take a month or 2 before I see any changes. I was completely shocked that it brought such great improvement to my skin in such a short time. So, do I recommend this product? Of course I do. I think The Ordinary made a great retinol product in just £15. But if I have managed to convince you to give this product a try, do follow the instruction on the packaging properly. And I'm going to share some extra tips too. How to use the Ordinary 0.2% Retinal Emulsion. Tip number 1, if you've never used any forms of retinoids before, start with a weaker form like Retinol. Tips number 2, if your skin is used to weaker form of retinoids like Retinol and you want to give this product a try, do not use this product more than 2 times a week in the first week at least. Tip number 3, cut down the actives in your routine. Don't pair this product with any other form of retinoids, vitamin C, salicylic acid, copper peptides, etc. Tip number 4, don't use more than a pea-sized amount. Tip number 5, if your skin is too dry, then you can apply a hyaluronic acid-based serum or toner before applying the retinol. Tip number 6, don't skip the moisturizer. Tip number 7, if you use any exfoliator, then skip the first week and then slowly reintroduce it from the second week. Last tip, apply your sunscreen religiously. By following these tips, you'll significantly reduce the chances of irritation while increasing the chances of improvement. So this was my 2-week update of the Ordinary 0.2% Retinal Emulsion. If you want a review after longer periods, then do leave me a comment below. And have any of you tried this product yet? Then let me know your experience in the comment box below. I love to know your experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share and subscribe. It really helps grow my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Dibas signing off today from Dibas Quest.